Welcome to the interface of Node-RED installed within the netPi. Here, we find 3 flows, each one with a different task. The first flow is called data processing. 2 tasks are done within this flow. First of all, it reads every second the energy data from the AutFab by OPC UA, and creates the appropriate messages to send them to the Microsoft Azure cloud, from where the powerBi gets the data to generate real-time graphs. This is the resulting dashboard using the data from the cloud. The second task collects 10 samplings of data in a single JSON message and sends it into the Azure Blob storage. The reason why the stored message contains multiple data is because the limitation of the student's account of 8,000 messages per day. The files are named using a timestamp as a string to avoid overwriting. In order to don't overfill the netPi, the files are deleted after some time. The messages sent in both steps to Azure must have the desired header in JSON format. In the second flow we find the alarm monitoring. The goal here is to settle up the margins of the energy values in order to send an email if signals reach non-desirable values. There are 2 different ways to send the alarms. The first one is directly with Node-RED within the netPi, and the second one, through Microsoft Azure Cloud. The margin values are set up and classified with a function, and the data are sent to the switch only if a change is detected, and if the values are considered critical. The Node-RED alarm has a limit of messages, elected with the delay block. To send the alarm within Azure, the header information must be added in JSON format before the alarm is dispatched. These 2 blocks configure an LED in the Node-RED dashboard, which will be the next flow introduced, to show graphically the alarms. A SCADA containing the energy data is created thanks to the Node-RED dashboard node. In this case the data are collected by variables to create a single graph with the values of each line. The way to collect the data is the same used to create the message, using the same nodes 2 and 3. The last step, number 4, plots the values in a chart. The total result of the powers are plotted individually, thus the info doesn't need to be sorted before the graph. The power factors are displayed with a gauge, which let us see clearly the values in every moment. This is the result of the dashboard flow of Node-RED, inside the netPi. If you move the cursor through the graphs, the values of each variable are shown in that instant of time. When an alarm is sent, the LED will change to red.